The next set of cabinets we're going to be making in this course are these darker stained cherry cabinets. Now, full disclosure, I totally botched the stain job when I did these, and I will show you how to avoid that so you don't make this mistake. But the stain didn't come out so great because I didn't apply a preconditioner to the wood. I didn't think you had to do that with cherry because I hadn't really worked with it before, but it turns out you do, so we'll cover that some more later on. But just to go over the specs of these cabinets, again, we have a nice shaker door. This whole cabinet has been sprayed with a clear coat of lacquer. This upper cabinet is the same dimensions as the white cabinet, except it's built using slightly different methodology. We're getting away from pocket screws for the box construction, and we stick with them for the face frame, but we use some other more traditional joinery methods for making these upper and lower cabinets. So again, it's about 18 inches wide, 36 inches tall. There's some wobble to it right now because I don't have drywall on this wall, and so it's not really adhered to the wall very well, but it is I guess firmly and snugly in place on the 2x4. We're also using exposed hinge hardware here. They're lower cost and they actually give it a little more detail as opposed to the more plain frameless hidden hinges we used there earlier. So the lower cabinet, focusing in on this, has the same type of features. It has a 2-drawer, it's 30 inches wide. We use an integrated toe kick on this particular cabinet, and as well as a dovetail joint for the drawers. The drawer runners are the same type of soft close, balloon tandem motion, and again, shaker doors down below, same type of hardware. So in terms of pricing, I think we're looking at around $160 for this upper one in terms of material and hardware costs, and a little over $200 for our base cabinet. It's a harder comparison to make since these are cherry hardwood with inset doors and drawers. It's harder to find manufacturers that make those. You can't walk into Lowe's or Home Depot and get inset cabinet doors and cherry hardwood. You're just not going to find them. So you have to go to find an online or a regional custom cabinetry shop that makes these. There are some major manufacturers that do carry inset, but again, it's going to be several $100s for what you're looking at here if you were to go out and buy these. But from just a quick internet search, I think we saved around $75 or so for this upper, and maybe around $100 to $150 for this lower cabinet.